world, and I know you guys that I'm still a noob in this game. And I played this game before, but I'm still a noob because I don't play it every day. Everyone, ready up! Someone has a bandage, but I don't want to waste something in me. Can they ready up already? Like, bro, I know they're there just trying to ready up when the round starts in 1 second, or I don't know. Oh, it will start now. Okay. Oh, the other. Okay, the generating room. So need to go. We got some of. Need tape.
ID na pinakita, tapos nahuli ka, lumabas ka ng gabi, matulog ka hanggang 6 a.m. dun sa outpost. May bantay ka naman dun. Diba?
How are you na become?
Okay, mga kababayan, next topic tayo. Dapat yung faction. Ito, pag-usapan naman natin mga kababayan. Itong,
Okay, continue making.
ito, paborito nyo. Maraming may favorite dito kay Mr.
Machine. Power the machine.
Batang may amas. Ito mga ka-GPnatics. Ngayon nakakita na naman.
Where there's so much of them. Bro, we gotta hide.
Walang katotohanan.
Where are the machines?
Ng mga
Why are they hiding the machines from me? So wrong, what the heck? This thing is broken.
Ang isang dating mambabatas na nanggaling po sa Tamsu na nagngangalang
Oh gosh, there's a lot of twisted here.
na ipinanganak po noong 1996 at namatay noong April 29.
Okay. Oh, the elevator leading to weapons. Come on, I don't have any more health. Come on. Come on, you can do this. Okay, finally. Let's go, Poppy. Oh, gotta get a cookie. One tape. Why is the music like that?
Ito ang mga kababayan nakalagay dito. Kung titignan nyo sa itaas, as of September 4, 2025, may timeline talaga. 6:30 p.m. May timeline yung nakakaw mula.
Come on.
2025 DPWH budget. So, 4 years yan.
Oh, someone died.
Ito, na-highlight na mismo.
Here's the machine. Oh, good. Found one.
Mali pala ako. Sabi ko kanina Camarines Sur. Camarines Norte, mga kababayan.
I just need to do this machine.
Panotes. Net Restored. Merong,
Kind of good at this machine though, but I always get good job.
6,804,016.
Need to complete this. Great job! I almost missed the spot, guys. Oh my gosh, I was AFK, guys.
budget. Kasi ito was, mga kababayan, di ba? Gusto, in-assemble ito 2024. 2025 lang nanalo si Terry doon.
But why are you guys not even doing these ones?
At ngayon ay nag-focus na lang siya doon sa party list. Diba? Sa party list, Bicol Saro.
Okay, couldn't take that. Pretty nice, right? Okay.
Sa Marimis Norte, Bicol
So
yan.
they took the other ones
Meron
now.
6 million.
Oh my god.
Tama ba yung figure ko? Sabihin niyo sa akin.
Oh my gosh.
Mahigit kumulang 7 million
They
mga
freaking
kababayan.
killed
Tapos
them.
meron siyang may insertion. May
Sorry. Okay. Let's see how much floors we can reach here. Alright, I'm just gonna skip this.